my church. The ocean is my
Eat it,
church.
buzz. That's it.
Where I go to find freedom. The ocean is my church. Daily problems I need them. The ocean is my church. I pray for love so I receive them. The ocean is my church.
Going YouTube family, so we're just down here at Yarra. It's about 6:30 in the morning. Just down here with the co-captain Jason. And we'll get out there and see if we can get some fish. It'd be nice to get a kingy or something like that, but we'll see how we go. If we don't have any luck, we'll probably fish the whole breakwater. And yeah, we'll see how we go there. Flick some lures, fix some soft plastics. Chill. Out this morning, which is a good thing. Boat to kayak ratio is kayaks up. 3 kayaks in the water, 2 boats. Not bad, not bad. Beautiful view of the cemetery over there. Prime real estate. Just giving it a go on the 2.5 bright orange squid jig, 3000 Stratic. 3 to 5 kilogram rod. Still got a seal over here playing around on the rocks. The swell's pretty big and dangerous though, so I'm not sure if I should be going that close to the rocks. I'd love to go try and feed him for you guys, get it on camera. Box is for the tube, alright? If I end up on the rocks, it's for the tube. Hey buddy! Hey buddy! Man, there's like 6 of them. Hey buddies. Hey buddies, you're sleeping, eh? Oh, you gotta jump! Go son! Yeah! Alright, round 2. Let's get it. Hook squad! Filming you, filming me! Oh yeah. $5,500 fine. Yeah, Jason. Probably get in trouble filming, they'll probably come and arrest me. Didn't think about that one. See how we go, eh? Go son. Give it to it, Jay. That's it. Who said the primal couldn't come out here? Who said it? Who said it? Beautiful. You keep control now. I'd go a little bit in more too, before you lock yourself off anyway. Jason's on the sabiki. Get it, Jason, on the handline. Oh, another one, little sweepage. It's not what we're here for. It's not what we want. That's fishing, eh? Can't always get exactly what you want. Not always, anyway. Little sweepages, eh? God damn. Okay, so our adventure leads us east, and got kicked away from the ports, so that's all good. We'll just move along, go get some bait fish, and then we'll go back to the ports and drop the bait fish down there, hopefully. And hopefully they don't see us in the next time. But yeah, we're just out here. Jace is paddling like a champ. Jace is full Nutrigrain Iron Manning it. It's all good. The compass is handling. The primal is handling. It's handling. The tugboats will be ahead of them anyway, so we gotta move. Container ship's coming. Go, Jason. Don't tip, son. Don't tip, son. We don't want nothing to do with that container ship. That's for sure. There we go. HSTV does what needs to be done. We get amongst it. We get amongst it. We get amongst it, AJs. Look at that bit of footage. Alright, so we gave it a good go for 2 days. Unfortunately no kings, no fish. But it's all good. It's all about putting your soul on the line. Sometimes you don't come home with fish, eh, Jace? Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully next time I can get some fish for you.